Want to rank your website using SEO? Subscribe and hit the bell icon and never miss the next video. SEO assures that the search algorithm have easy access in understanding the content. Here are 5 top-level ways to write SEO-friendly content for your website. The main emphasis is that the content should be structured. You should know the actual search queries, meaning what people actually want. Your idea should match to a searchable phrase. Now, apply these steps in order to make your content better and SEO friendly. Subscribe and hit the bell icon and never miss the next video.